Safety belt use in Michigan is down from a record high of 97.9% in 2009. Anders 2012.
So how's that comp project going, Joe?
It's going great. Thanks for asking.
No problem. Hey, Royce.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Go grab a bite to eat or something?
Yeah, we could go to the diner.
All right, now before we go, make sure everybody's got their seatbelts on.
Oh, yeah.
Royce, you don't need a seatbelt in the back seat.
Why?
Because you don't? What's gonna happen?
Anything.
3,688 lives could have been saved if all unbuckled passenger vehicle occupants involved in fatal crashes had worn their seatbelts. Christian, 2011.
Now everybody make sure you put your seatbelts on.
Oh, yeah, I almost forgot.
Royce, you don't need to wear a seatbelt in the back seat.
Why? Seatbelt down. You don't want to fly through the window. Come on.
I guess.
We're ready. Whoa.
Thank God we were wearing those seatbelts.
Right.
Sergeant Jill Bennett referred to a summary stating, "To be in compliance with Michigan law, the lap portion of a lap shoulder belt must be worn low and snug across the hips, and the shoulder portion must be snug across the chest away from the neck and face." Remeek, 2012.
No, thanks for the advice. Let me buy you a Dutch one.
Right. Me, you owe me.
I know.